back.
Tell us what your vision is here.
Drinking a beer.
Oh my God!
I think it would be good if you poured
Stand
a
right here.
circle.
Go ahead.
I think a circle
Hey,
would look
try
good.
it.
It's not turning though, is it? Oh, the camera's turning.
There's a camera on this side.
Oh, I know, but wait.
There's a camera on that side.
Okay, so what
So
now?
we're all in it right now.
Yeah, yeah, really. We're all in it.
We're all in it right now.
Wait, does it have my whole outfit?
Yes.
Okay, so now look at. Okay, look at. Here's primed here.
Okay, now walk
Okay, look.
this way.
Everybody get a little closer.
Right.
No, no.
Yeah.
This way, walking this way.
The fire pit is 60 inches across.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Hold
so
on.
that's probably another 2 of those things out from it, right, on each side.
That's yeah, that's
So
5
this is
feet.
probably.
I see it. I see it.
I see it.
I see the future.
Right. So what do we do? Do we do square coming off of this? Probably as far back as Tanya.
Yeah.
Because I don't mind. Right.
No. And then put that in the middle.
Yeah. Over here though.
Where's the
Right
helicopter
I
gonna
think
land?
a circle.
Huh?
Where's the
Well,
helicopter
everything
land?
else is square.
Well, do you know that circle in the middle?
Yeah.
I think a circle would be cool.
Yeah. You know how I have my
Put it in
circle?
the middle.
You know how I have my
Because we're gonna have everybody around it.
Put it under a tree so it happens.
People gonna have access.